Can you see yourself in the 2018 Lexus RX? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a refined and capable Lexus RX, the premium SUV with available third-row seating, a serene cabin, and silky smooth ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun, moonroof, power liftgate, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Savor the journey in this silky, smooth-riding RX. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.